This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Is your team like the human body? Consider this. A properly functioning human body needs water and nutrients for energy and cell reproduction. It requires physical activity for fitness, balance, and coordination. Plus, the body requires both knowledge and understanding for performance and safety. Our minds help our bodies develop the good habits, honesty, and discipline required to positively improve and maintain our happiness and our performance. Or our minds succumb to bad habits, laziness, and dishonesty. These negatively reduce our ability to perform, to improve, and may destroy our relationships with others. Our body has a brain, the leader, giving directions to the other part of the body. The brain is responsible for coordinating and the performance of the other body parts. It uses the nervous system to transmit instructions. Those parts include the muscles for activity and performance, the skeleton for support, and the digestive system to process food for energy. They include the heart to send the necessary nutrients to the cells and the lungs to process oxygen to live. Your brain coordinates all the activities for the rest of your body. Your team requires the proper people, processes, and tools to function at peak performance. To be successful, team members must have continuous training, coupled with both positive direction and a coordination of their efforts. They require good habits, discipline, and honesty to produce winning outcomes. Your team has a brain. That's you, the leader. The leader is responsible for the success of the team. They're responsible for coordination and the performance of each team member, their individual efforts, and their success as a team. Thus, to create successful outcomes, each team member must do their job and support the other team members. Inasmuch as the body's different systems work together to function effectively, your people must do the same. As infants and small children, we are totally dependent on our parents. The same is true as you begin to build your team. Team members need knowledge via training, skills via practice, and discipline by doing the right things at the right time. As children get older, they learn from each other through both practice and training. The same is true of your team members by requiring them for cross-training. They learn each other by cross-training, and by practicing what they learn, team members become more productive. As older adults, part of the human body tends to atrophy, becoming harder to use. The same is true of your team's abilities. As older skills become outdated, new skills and processes are required to meet new challenges. That is why the leader's commitment to excellence and continuous improvement will guide the team's effort to be more, do more, and create better outcomes. Remember, just like the brain guides the human body, you, the leader, successfully guide your team. And remember, be the change you want to create. So your team is like the human body, and that is today's Morning Minute.